few expenses are there which are related to business and few expenses are there which are not related to business. We have bank loan is taken for business. Whatever interest paid on bank loan, we will not consider. Why? Because that is business, not personal. Your business income is 3,34,520. Allowable as per IT, you know that we take it in the minus allowed items. Next, wealth tax is over, interest on capital also over. Next, audit fees, it is part of the business. Hello everyone, this is your ALsir here, lecturing Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. And now we are in the session 11 of your topic called income tax. Under income tax, we are discussing business or profession. Under business or profession, what kind of problem we are going to do? So we'll go for the next slide. Your agenda is very simple. We have concept as well as we have problems. So particular amount. Now, so these are the expenses we have and these are the incomes we have, like particular amount. In this, few expenses are there which are related to business and few expenses are there which are not related to business. We have to identify those expenses which are not related to business because that is only main thing we need for your answer. Now, before we see this, we'll go to adjustment. Now, depreciation allowable as per IT. Depreciation allowable as per IT, you know that we take it in the minus allowed items. Next, advertisement 2,000 spent on special. 2,000 spent on special advertisement campaign for business purpose. So 2,000 for business means balance 4,000 will be what? Personal. You have to remember that. See, your advertisement where it is, yes, 4,000 is not part of business. Then legal charges in connection to trademarks, so it is a business purpose. Half of the rent paid for residents. Now, how much rent paid? Rent, rates and tax, half. Only 6,000 is personal and 6,000 is business purpose. Then after this, we have bank loan is taken for business. Whatever interest paid on bank loan, we will not consider. Why? Because that is business, not personal. Now, we're done with all this. I'll go with the answer. What is the answer now? Like your office expenses, don't take because it is a part of the business. Rent, take only 6,000. General expenditure, part of the business. Personal, take. Commission, part of the business. Discount, part of the business. Any word called reserve, you have to take. Postages, part of the business. Legal expenses, they have mentioned that is related to trademark, your business purpose. Then advertisement, we know out of 6, 2,000 for business, balance 4,000 will be for your personal. Entertainment, part of the business. Fire insurance, if you want to keep your stock safe, you have to make insurance on your godown. That insurance we call it as fire insurance. Sales tax is part of the business. So without paying tax, you cannot sell your goods. Sales tax is a part. Then right now we don't have sales tax. Right now we have what? GST. All your indirect tax, now it is replaced to what? GST. Then repair on house, your personal, please take because it is a personal. Loss on sale of car, your personal, you are supposed to take. Life insurance premium, again, remember, if it is a fire insurance, part of the business. Life insurance, not part of the business. Next, wealth tax. Right now, we don't have wealth tax because it is abolished. Earlier, it was there. Like, if you have property of 30 lakh and above, you are supposed to pay 1% wealth tax. Above 30 lakh. If you have 32 lakh into 1%, you are supposed to pay tax. Right now, we don't have wealth tax, so we are not calculating that. So, it is not part of the business. Next, interest on capital, similarly, it is not part of the business. Audit fees. Audit fees is an expenditure part of the business. Interest on loan. See, in the adjustment they have given that bank loan is taken for business purpose. So interest on loan is not part of the business, so we will not touch that. Next, provision, yes. Provision, yes. These are the items we are supposed to take. We have to start our problem with what? Net profit. What is your net profit? 3,59,320. Your net profit 3,59,320. 3,59,320 is your net profit. Now I'll go one by one. 320. 3,59,320. Yes, I have taken your net profit. Now I'll take all the disallowed item which are not related to business. We call it as disallowed. Now, as per this, we have your rent rates. How much? 6,000. Rent and rates. Rent and rates. It is 6,000. Hope you are clear. Yes, we done with this. Then we have general expenses. No, personal expenses. We have 8,000. Personal expenses. Personal expenses. We have 8,000. Hope you are clear. Yes. Next. After that, we have commission, no. Discount, no. Reserve for bad debts, 4,800. Reserve for bad debts. Reserve for bad debts, 4,800. Now, after this, we have postage. It is a part of the business. Your legal expenses part. Advertisement, we have to consider only 4. Advertisement, 4,000. Advertisement, 4,000. Next, after advertisement, we have like advertisement is over. Entertainment, part of the business. Fire insurance, part of the business. Sales tax, part. Repair on house property. Repair on house property. Now, repair on house property, we have 2,000. We have to consider. Repair on house property. Repair on house property, it is 2,000. Now, after repair on house property, we have loss on sale of car. How much it is? 7,200. Loss on sale of car, 7,200. Loss on sale of car, 7,200. Now, after this, life insurance premium, it is 8,000. Life insurance premium. Life insurance premium, it is 8,000. Hope you are clear. Up to this we have done. Still we have, after life insurance, we have wealth tax 4,000. Interest on capital 2,000. Wealth tax 4,000. Wealth tax 4,000. Then interest on capital, it is 2,000. Wealth tax is over. Interest on capital also over. Next, audit fees, it is part of the business. Interest on loan, part of the business. Provision for depreciation, yes, you have to take 10,000. Provision for depreciation, 10,000. Provision for depreciation, 10,000. So provision for income tax, any reserve, any provisions which are not part of your business. So remember, if you find any provisions, any reserves, you have to consider. Now, So whether I have taken up to provision for depreciation. What is the next one? Provision for depreciation is over. Provision for income tax, it is 14,000. Provision for income tax, provision for income tax 14,000. So we have done with all your expenses. Now I'll cross check once. So we're done with all with the expenses. In the adjustment, we will not find anything. This is considered. This will come under minus. Legal, we have considered. Half considered. Bank loan, yes, done. Now, so we'll take total of all expenses. What is the total? It is 6,000 plus 8,000 plus 4,800 plus 4,000 plus 2,000 plus 7,200 plus 8,000 plus 4,000 plus 2,000 plus 10,000 plus 14,000. I got 70,000. How much I got? 70,000. I'll cross check once again. So what is your value? 6,000 plus 8,000 plus 4,800 plus 4,000 plus 2,000 plus 7,200 plus 8,000 plus 4,000 plus 2,000 plus 10,000 plus 14,000. So it is 70,000. Now we'll come for which are allowed items are income from other source. Allowed items like gross profit is over, interest on government security 32,400. Interest on government security, interest on government security 32,400. Dividend 4,000. Dividend, it is 4,000. Hope you are clear. Yes. After dividend, share of income from firm. Remember, firm in the sense partnership firm. From partnership, if there are 2 or 3 partners are there, once they done with all the P&L appropriation, they will share among themselves. So, share of income from firm 20,000. Share of income from firm. So, what is the value? The value is, it is 20,000. Rent from house property 32,400. It is 20,000. So rent from house property 32. I'll cross check once. 32,400. So we'll add all your incomes. Now your incomes are 32,400 plus 4,000 plus 20,000 plus 32,400. Along with this, we have income tax as per adjustment. As per adjustment, we have depreciation allowable as per IT. It is 6,000. As per IT, it is 6,000. Now, so we'll see what is the total. The total is plus 6,000. 94,800. I'll cross check once. 32,400 plus 4,000 plus 20,000 plus 32,400 plus 6,000. How much I got? 94,800. 94,800. This has to be deducted and this has to be added. Hope you are clear. Yes. Now I'll cross check this. 3,59,320 plus 70,000 minus 94,800. 94,800. I got 3,34,520. 3,34,520. We'll see it again. 3,59,000 plus 70, it is around 4,29,000. 4,29,000. Yes, it is proper. Your business income is 3,34,520. Now, I'll go back to all the slides. Please take screenshot. Yes. So, this is your question. Your continuation of your question. The adjustment. Your solution part 1. Your solution part 2. Yes. So this is all about your answer actually, your topic. Today's session we did with your business problem. From next session, we'll not only go for business, along with that, we'll also go for your total income and tax payable. So it will be easy for you. Complete 15-mark problem will be when you do the tax payable. Next 2 sessions, it is only on tax payable along with normal problem.